You heard me, Lou? You just can't go like that. I mean, you
nice.
can, but not
You can
because you're
just
gonna
go
block
like
it.
that.
Get a little closer to
So there, Lou. You have breathing room there.
I don't know. I think they kind of go hand in hand, just like
I
execution.
think you didn't take enough bacon
tied
in
in
my
with just being
burger.
confident and stuff. So yeah,
Enough veggies.
just,
Oh wow.
that's being
Oh,
Robert Bill
bird.
retired lives and he'll actually give them that actually get the chance to be consistent.
Can I get 3,
Yeah, it
please?
can definitely be tough sometimes. Past like a month and a half, we've been
Me
trying to
no,
work on it, and
sorry.
it felt like at times it wasn't,
2,
progressing
4,
the way it
6.
should. But yeah, just stuck with it.
And really, if you go back to spring training, there was quite a bit of talk about Emmett Sheen's velocity not being quite there, what we saw last year. And coming into the start, about a mile and a half down from where he was. We saw 97 from him tonight, Nomar. He was averaging right around 95. It was a much better night velocity-wise, and it sounded like they were able to unlock something.
Before the game, he mentioned that. He mentioned about the mechanics being up and not as consistent, and that contributed possibly to the velocity being down.
Yama.
Also looking at the number, and
Yama.
also the way the pitches were
Yama.
late break on the life on it.
Don't say anything.
Was able to get some out, get the guys out to me. Really a quality start by Emmett Sheen.
Is that even gonna remember?
But here's that break.
You can see it back?
Bottom of the zone right now, but the slider. Really love the way the slider moved today. They want to tell you how good it was doing.
Kumuha ka na ulit, sir?
Oh, sorry. I don't.
Shit, nakalimutan ko sabihin niya, hindi na ang tubig ang kunin niya.
Milo?
Malamig yung kinuha.
Para maligam-gam.
So today you went to cut his hair, right? So this hair
Yeah, more fluorescent.
There's a World Series of
4,
Mahjong,
8.
guys.
12, 16, wala na.
Wala na. There's a World Series.
No, mas.
Wow. No, Tita Sharon was saying there's
Oh, really?
Yeah.
We were watching it last night.
There's a World
Other
Series
night,
of
other night.
Mahjong.
Oh, and then American Mahjong. Look,
American Mahjong.
American Mahjong too?
confusing.
No more?
No more. Wala yung ginagita ko.
3 bells.
Right.
1 bell.
Oh, wait.
Todas?
No, Pong.
Count.
It's money.
2 pairs. Mali. Did I show already? I did. Huh?
Yeah, you did. You're good at that.
Five.
Oh. Oh.
Before the peak.
Lumalamig
Sorry.
ang gabi.
It's 6.
Lumalamig ang gabi. Hindi na tulad
Pong.
I could feel before the fifth year.
I think Blue is right.
Ay!
Eh, mag-subscribe ka sa amin, ah.
I think you're right, Blue.
What?
Before the 2.
Oh, the 2 pairs.
Oh, the 2 pair.
Yan.
Yung akinang niya.
Dapat sete pares ka na.
Dapat, sabi ni Lou, you should have
Pong
just
lang.
Pong. Oh, best friend, that's already 2 pairs. Why'd you Pong? That's what Lou said.
Before the peak.
Uy, ito pala yun, pagsuko.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bakit pag tinire-represent yun sa bahay, hindi ganyan tuloy?
Hindi kasi yung pinatutog mo hindi ganyan.
Ano to?
Parang rock to, no?
Yeah.
Tone.
Oo.
Wala yung sa Spotify.
Um,
Tone. Kaya nga magkasuko ito.
Kaya sabi ko bakit parang iba. Talagang love song lang yung dun sa bahay.
Ito na.
Ano naman din din ang period.
Ito oh, papapilama.
Gusto ko na.
Fireball.
What?
Grabe naman to sa titi.
7 pares talaga lahat.
It was? I tell you.
Or, pwede pa rin naman kung makakaano.
Oh, wala na. Wala na.
No, cause that's that. No, kasi yun ang magiging bahay mo.
Bahay, oh.
Oo.
Hindi, gawin niyang ano. 2 pairs na yun kagad.
Hindi pa.
Right.
Hindi
It's already
counted.
set.
Yeah.
Durr.
Wow. Pero kung makaano pa siya dito, yun ang bahay niya ngayon. Yung sa baba. Yun, pwede yun.
You can use that as his house?
Yes.
Oh, really?
And then still have the pairs here. Yeah. The 7 pairs.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah. Yeah.
I thought the house has to be 3.
No.
9 balls.
No, it doesn't have to be 3. Because
No, I know.
kung kumuha ang Flores, di ba?
Hmm.
Five balls. I'm sorry.
I know.
You
It's a
spend.
good job.
I was like 20, but... Nobody said.
Goodbye.
Bye, ate!
Bye, Mom.
Bayad ka na ah.
Sina? Oo. Sa 15, automatic yun, te.
Ha?
Automatic, na kinukuha sa akin ng 15. Dami naman nag-aantay magtehon. Napaka-pressure naman eh.
Magbayad ng ano.
Kasi ayoko muna magkasilo. Kasi sa 15, kukunin na yung bayad ko sa taksa. Ano eh. Matik eh. So, ayoko muna magtehon. 5 balls. Kaya ginana,
Yun.
bayad ka na.
Matik. Anong pinaalala, kumuha ka Flores. Hindi pala ako kumuha Flores.
Oh,
Pwede ka magbabayad
hindi ka pa
ng
magbabayad.
Hindi ba?
Mamaya sa huli, tospek ka lang. Kung binagsak mo, baraha mo pag gano'n,
Yeah,
bayad
throw
ka
it
sa
down,
amin.
throw it down.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16,
18. So,
Kumuha ng Flores.
Dahil
Bakit 18?
2, 4,
You got one extra flower.
12, 14.
16, 18. Who's Mano?
Dapat 17 lang baraha mo.
He's Mano?
Sobra isa.
Sobra.
Yeah, he got one extra flower.
Dapat 17 kasama yun.
Baka hindi ako nagtapon.
Dapat 17.
Oo.
So, I
He's
want...
Mano?
Kasi 16 lang talaga eh.
He's Mano?
No, regardless of your mano or not, at the end of the day, your cards, all of us,
Hindi,
after you throw,
16,
16,
18 oh.
17 lang.
Bye-bye.
Bye na
Paalam.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Ba,
It's your game, buddy.
I'm not gonna buy you the belt. You're not saying bye to me anymore?
Bye-bye. Subscribe to me.
Hindi, pwede.
He has a YouTube.
Yeah,
Oo.
he does.
Pero kailangan 18 eh.
2 balls.
No.
He gets a lot of views on his YouTube.
Yeah. He has YouTube, diba? We'll be talking about Burberry,
9
health.
balls, how many is that?
No.
Dalawa. Dapat 17
Oo,
lang.
sobra.
Oh,
Na-realize ko,
7
nung mag-aano ako eh.
Hindi, ang tanong ko pa sa kanya, nakakuha ka ng floor, sabi niya, oo. Dito.
Eh, ba't tumobra?
Siguro di siya
ako
nagtapon. Kasi dapat 17 lang yan. Hindi 18.
Hindi na pagkakagaling.
Oo nga, stress ako. Pero tama nga oh. Pwede ko nung ano, ngayon nga, pumupuro pa ako sa
Julius,
7
ikaw
pares.
yun.
Kaya alam sa'yo ko, ba't sobra?
Nino.
Hindi ko maintindihan.
Bumunot ako Sir Flores.
O, tapos,
Hindi ako nagtapon.
Hindi siguro siya nagtapon kasi bakit 18 barahan?
Pero
Dapat
paano
17
nga
lang.
nakarating yun doon, no?
I know.
Paano walang ano, walang tiyuma, walang ano.
Baka bumunot ka na ng Flores.
Bumunot ka pa.
Aaron.
Hindi. Hindi, kasi nung tinanong ko siya, hindi siya ang bubunot eh. Tinanong ko lang sa kanya nung ano siya, nung ano na, oh, you're right. Bunot ba?
Hanggang na nagbigay siya sa akin, nakala ako mano.
Right?
Yes, please. Thank you.
I put the bag up in the chair.
Okay, thank you.
Alright?
Jana's room.
What?
Come on, buddy. Come on, dude.
Luna, you're cold. Lou hasn't told us yet.
Oh, he did!
No.
Daba, yeah.
Oh,
First
what?
ano, yeah.
Oh, that's enough, Lou.
No, you. I mean.
You're you, 6.
Oh, I thought
Big.
4 only.
Oh, gosh.
Tito Jeff, come on. Please.
You know, it'll be me. Kasi he's opening.
I can... Hindi pa rin naisip kung paano siya na... Bakit hindi tayo yan?
Ganyan siya
That's
nangyari.
why.
Binigyan ako ng ano, sawi.
No, hindi ako nag-ano dahil busy ako sa video eh.
Let's reboot.
Yeah,
We're gonna be able to review that.
Yeah, we'll review it. Makikita natin kung
Oh,
ano
she's
nangyari
gonna be
sa'yo.
like, oh, it was me.
No. No, kasi I asked him, did you get Flores? Kasi he kept saying, oh my God, Lou, you're right, you're right. Ganun siya eh.
Tito Julius went out of turn, I think.
We'll see. Might be. But...
Yeah. I said, oh, it doesn't need it, Lou. It's your turn.
Oh, the idea. And then, explain the other
I
part.
can explain.
Because it's supposed to be ano eh. 17 eh.
Inaano ko sa'yo.
Ay.
Bakit ang dami kong puro? Hindi ito parang ang dami kong puro.
First time may buo pa.
Yun! Hey, first na, may buo pa. Kaya siya nalilito. Kaya sabi siya ng sabi, you're right, Lou. Oh my God, you're right, Lou. In fairness, with the house at the bottom.
That's why.
Ay, Lou. Ay, Lou.
Oh my God,
I think
Lou.
you really put veggie on my
Talaga.
burger, Lou.
That's what happens. Because he said, there wasn't enough MSG, Lou.
Saan yung ano yung Flores? Where?
Dito.
Make sure.
That I know, yeah. Kasi ako nag-ano yun eh.
Kaya siguro sir, yun naisip mo, no?
Oo.
Kaya pala siya, sabi ko, pati tignan. Kasi nakita ko yung tsura eh.
Nung hindi, sorry pa rin siya. Hindi, pwede naman yan. Yan para sa bahay niya. Sagot lang lang to. Pag ganun to, 8 first pa. May bahay pa rito. May buhay.
Kaya pala siya titig.
Ako na?
Yeah.
4, 6, 8, 9, 14.
Because I saw he was staring like this, Lou. Like so serious. No wonder he had 8 pairs with one bahay.
Yes.
With a house.
Lou?
That's super ambition.
One bahay and a ranch?
That's 3 chips.
That's automatic. Dalawa puro.
Alright, no more.
Wait, si Michael Pangilinan ba to?
Yeah.
What the
Wala
heck?
to.
When was this?
Nung nagbabatak pa siya. Nung nagbabatak.
No more?
Basta,
4, 8.
nagbabatak pa.
Are you no?
Yeah.
Yeah, no mas.
Jewish sila dyan eh.
See, Tito Jeff, I have 17.
Ah, Budakin. 12.
Yeah, I got fish. 7 car.
Sabi ko, shoot.
Hindi na ganun dito. Limited edition nga ako eh. Halika na. Huwag na.
9 car.
Oo, limited edition nga. Okay.
Hindi mo, malapit na hindi mag-ingay kaya pumunta na ka.
At bawal.
Binil pa raw siya. Limited edition nga.
Kaya sinabi mo, sige.
Madali ka naman.
Hindi, sa susunod siya magigiling kasi natin.
Who is that, Levy?
Yeah.
He's coming?
Yeah, but tell him you. It's almost
I know.
done.
No, when he comes, as soon as he comes,
Yeah, so na sila go like this.
Kasi you know,
before he talks.
because you know he's the loudest.
Yeah, he is. Him and Charles.
Saan nakagabi
And
mo ito?
Charles, Chris and Charles. But at
And
least
especially both
but at
together.
least like we could control Charles.
Yeah,
Like, you know,
But
but with
every-
Eddie, no.
Him and Max they came to our house last night at 10:30
Oh.
and they were loud. Actually, sila bilang maingay si Max kasi pumasok na sa loob, bubad na sapatos, tsaka medyas, nanood na TV. Pero okay lang, aalis na ako. Hindi magreklamo si TV. Kung di nga ako alis, ano gagawin nila sir? Di man to ako, may magdidemandaan doon.
Yeah.
Ano makuha yun sa Celsa?
5-star. You know, nag-iba yung tsura niya, no?
Sino ba ang kasama?
Hindi, nag-iba yun.
Hindi, si Buboy, ganun pa rin.
One, two,
Si
three,
Michael
four, five,
Pangalinan, ang ano ko.
Six.
Pang 6 na yan. Si Michael Pangalinan, na-shock ako, na ganyan siya kapayat.
Oh, yun.
Oh my God, eh.
1 billion.
Para siya paupahin ko si Sen pag doon siya natulog sa walk-in closet. May upa ko na dyan.
Then, alam mo, nung si Jacob, doon sa bahay namin doon, ayaw niya mag-ano, sa walk-in closet, di natutulog na lang sa walk-in closet. Naglagay ng kamo.
Ang cute ng walk-in closet.
Thank God.
Sabi niya, Catherine, nakahanap kayo si Jacob, nasa loob ng walk-in closet.
At saka yung ano sa walk-in closet.
Nakita ko yung toilet.
Bunot already niya.
Yung Celsa.
Sabi ko naman, nakita ko yung toilet. Na, come.
No. I have one.
No, I know, I'm just kidding, Lou.
I love
I saw.
Yung dito sa malapit sa mga kwento,
You're
pwede
gonna
na
look
rin kahit luma.
Um,
Pero yung dome kasi ano, hindi na naman pantay yung ano.
Ang mga toaster.
Lulubog yun. At saka pangit to, sa ting babae, parang hindi nga alam yung listings nila.
first pick. Oh, am I supposed to pay you?
No, no, no. He paid me for this.
Akala ko may something.
Namin?
He took it.
Force.
She thought I paid. She thought I paid.
Yeah, that's why I said, am I supposed to pay Tito Julius? Because I don't know.
No,
I'm like, what?
I don't want the camera on me. Because I'm gonna be asked, what is the thought process?
I did ask him that, you know?
Yeah, next time should be on him.
Yeah. No, it wasn't even on him. It was on me.
Yeah,
And then
like
I
that.
just saw.
What is that?
Because he put down his cards
Oh,
and
he
I was
laid
like,
it down?
yeah. And then I zoomed it. Oh. Look, oh, the one, no?
That's suspect, Lou. If so, that's...
Nung tinapon yung one, hindi pa ako puro.
How much is that?
Hindi, pero nagkamali nga ako. Dapat pala eh.
Oh, see, what is the thought process? Oh.
Nagsisinkin na kasi dapat ito tinapon ko kasi. Ano yung tinapon ko? To.
So,
Oh, may possibility pa kasi
yes.
dun eh.
Hindi mo naman kailangan.
Hindi ko kailangan
Yeah.
yung 5 eh. Buo eh.
Oh, what's the thought process? I would have asked, what's the thought
Ayun,
process?
mali. Para manalo ka.
Can you give me
Five.
20, please?
20?
Yeah. So I'm 6B.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm 6B.
Ito, kay Lou.
Okay,
Your
Lou.
card, Lou.
I'll come back on that.
Yeah. Nanay.
Yeah, I'm gonna bet it all.
Nanay. Oy!
Ooh, I'm too fast.
Oh, good job, Lou.
Nanay. Okay, should we put it on him, Lou?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
So, when you call me, Lou, kung isang kain ko ng